Okay, James. So is this the first time you decided to get a hairpiece, or you already got the experience with hairpiece before?
No, this is the first time.
First time, okay. Can you show me a little bit about your body area, like the crown and the back? Yeah. Let me see the side and the back. Okay, looks like the body area right now it's pretty big right now. It's kind of like a fully bodied on the 8x10 that normally we call the toupee area. So do you want something like a kind of a permanent attach, like or you want to take off every night?
A permanent attach would be better, yes.
My next question is, what's your first major concern? Natural looking, durability, easy maintenance, and or something like our budget. What's your top concerns?
Looking natural would be and durability, obviously.
Okay. Based on what you told me, I will give you one model. The model name is called M109. So this model is it's a combination between the natural looking, durability. It's also kind of easy to maintain in the long term. So this is the model called M109. You see this?
Okay.
This one comes with a 1/2-inch French lace in the front. It creates a very natural looking hairline for you. Also, because this one is a mono base, it's bringing in the durability. And because of the poly round, it's kind of easy to put the tape on, or tape plus glue on top. It's very easy for you to put on by yourself or in the shop. And a little bit tricky is the front, the lace area. But without this 1/2-inch, you won't get such a natural looking front hairline. So that's why you need to learn how they put on for you, and you need to learn the knowledge how to maintain the little bit lace. That's it. That's all you need to learn. The rest of the area, I don't worry about it. It's easy for you to maintain. Yeah. What Winnie just mentioned is a model HD105. That one we do have it. We can get it very quick. And because of this model is kind of tricky. If you want to take off and put it back by yourself, I will recommend you go with the Ghost Bond glue to like do it. And you can go to the YouTube to search how you apply Ghost Bond for it. So let me share the screen with you. Okay, again, to show you what's the glue I recommend to you. Your skin oily, not oily.
Not oily, no, not at all.
Okay, so in that case, you can just choose the regular Ghost Bond. Just go with this small bottle. This one is just after you clean, after you hygiene your skin, you just coat, like evenly coat. Give it 7 minutes, it will dry clear. If you want to stay longer, like 3 weeks coat, you need a two layer coating. You coat again, 2nd layer. Don't touch it. And after it's dry, the white glue will dry clear. Then you just press it down. That's it. It will be waterproof. And
excellent.
You use this ultra safe remover to take off, slowly take off, to clean the base, hiding your scallop. You can put it back again. Yeah. So that's the basic procedures. And on the internet, there's a lot of video. You can go search and to watch it. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So I think the earliest one I can bring you in is July 26th, which is 6 days after. Yeah.
That's perfect because I go back to work on July 30th and then I won't be available daytime at all.
Okay, that's perfect.
Okay. And the cost of the hairpiece was $360?
$340.
$340. Okay, and to have it installed, what's the price?
$140 installation. Yeah.
$140 installation.
And in maintenance in the future, like after 3 weeks, you come back for the maintenance. It's $100.
Okay.
Do you have any other questions about this?
No, I'll see you guys on July 26th.
Sounds good.
Wonderful.
All right. Bye. Bye, James.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a nice one. Okay.